Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we're unboxing a cool new offering from Ultimate Ears. This is the MINIROLL, a compact and versatile Bluetooth speaker that with its refreshed PartyUp feature and 12-hour battery life allows the sound to be as big or even bigger than you need. So let's get into it. When we open the box, the contents are fairly straightforward. We have the speaker wrapped in some sustainable cloth and some documentation. Removing the cloth, we get our first look at the MINIROLL. These things are awesome. They're rugged, drop-proof, and they're just the right size. On the bottom here, you have the USB-C charging port, and on the back is my favorite feature, a strap that can be used to mount it to whatever you like. You also have a single full-range driver with a passive radiator, making them sound incredible for their size. But adding more of them makes them sound even better with PartyUp, so let's talk about that. Let's start by connecting a speaker. A short press of the power button will turn the speaker on, and if powering up for the first time, it will automatically go into pairing mode. On your device, open Bluetooth settings, find the speaker, and select it, and the speaker is paired. Before we get to PartyUp, let's go over the controls. On the front, we have these plus and minus symbols. These are your volume controls. A short press of either one will turn the volume up or down, and pressing both at the same time will check your battery level.
60% charge.
On the side, this button from earlier is the power button, as well as the Bluetooth pairing button. A short press will turn the speaker on or off, and a long press will enable Bluetooth pairing. This next button has a few functions. Short press to play pause, double press to skip, triple press for previous track, and a long press enables PartyUp, so let's take a moment to talk about that. When you enable PartyUp on the first speaker, that will send the speaker into broadcast mode. Let's set it to broadcast mode, play some music, and demonstrate. Okay, our speaker is now in broadcast mode. Now, let's power up another speaker. This one will not need to be connected via Bluetooth. We'll also long press the play pause button on this speaker, and now it will connect to the first speaker that's broadcasting. Super cool! To exit PartyUp, just press the play pause button on the first MINIROLL, which will end the broadcast. And then long press play pause on the other speaker. They are now back to Bluetooth mode. Lastly, you can power down the speakers by short pressing the power button. I hope that answers any questions you have about PartyUp and the MINIROLL. If you have any further questions or concerns, or if you want to check out the MINIROLL, be sure to check out our links in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.